Me didn't even want the bother one the saltfish in this. Oh God, man.
The saltfish are going there now.
Yes, Rasta. I'll go on good.
Ginger is a very harsh thing. So, today when the hash.
Oh God, dude, you know. Tell them, you know, Rasta, no for fry fish now, watch it.
I don't cook no stew. How you cook?
I must say, yes, Rasta. What that you have in a dish?
Swim away.
You have fish in a dish?
Fit there? Vinegar. Throw some pan in time, I go scrape off them.
So yes, Rasta, no meat eating for the length first day length.
Cut down some ironies, you know?
How can I fish them, Rasta?
Why? Swim away then name. Every fish name swim away, because if you not throw a line out there, you can't catch him in there far from you.
That's true.
Them is name swim away.
So Rasta?
Yeah.
Either eat meat from the Ash Wednesday here,
Right
first
now,
day length.
right now, look like boat come and want it.
So that means you not keep up the tradition.
You know, man, the tradition me I keep up, see me?
No, man.
Me not follow no
You
television.
say you have to give up
No,
something for
sir.
length.
Length?
Yeah.
Me and my length already. Me have to be in a business with them all say.
I want to tell you, say, the irony behind this day, upon this a day, the most fish and bread cooking, you know?
Yeah,
and
so
them
right
look at
now-
it.
Right now, we must buy a bread for this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So you say Rasta some
Bread.
fish,
Bread too light.
fish and saltfish stew today.
Yeah.
Saltfish stew peas.
You think I went father say he share 5 loaves of fish.
5 loaf of fish.
3 loaves of fish.
3 loaf of bread.
3
1
loaf of
loaf of bread, bad man, and about 10 fish.
And much fish for
something like
people. I know them time to this. Them time I fish nothing I see.
Yeah.
Enough swim away.
So
They-
fish
they-
never enough in time there.
all the time, but I just at the time then could I get to share to the people there.
Yes, it. Just 3 loaf of fish.
You're
But
right.
Rasta also, the Almighty share that, right?
Yeah.
We can't do that, you know? 'Cause
No.
we can't do Almighty do.
No, sir.
Never.
None of we can do that.
Mm-hmm.
And we are blaspheme God. A man a fire shot all night years say I kill God. And want to know how he reach him to kill him.
Yeah.
How that reach him to kill him.
Yeah.
And he live it in every human being. Live it in me, live it in Squidly.
God live it in every living
All
thing.
the tree with beer.
All the
All with
animals.
the beer.
All the animals.
All the
them.
animal them. Almighty that himself. A man I say I crucify him and kill him. When I kill him.
Yeah.
So when he kill him, kill. So
somebody
right, if a
will
man
know
kill
how
you,
you move
listen
before
me
you
now.
even make it.
If I say a man kill a man, I got him kill him.
Yeah.
And say a man kill a baby, I got him kill see him because I don't know what that little child can come up and do, you know. Alright.
Father's creation, he
Yeah,
take
for
out.
sure, yeah.
Gotta chastise them for that still.
No, sir. Me not, no. But
Oh,
me,
man.
right now,
Yeah.
to the day,
Yeah.
name 1 3 pound of goat. Should I right?
You
after?
still going back to
Yeah,
that, you
man,
have to
them-
live up to the,
Yeah, me not- no,
to the,
man,
to the
you can't.
thing.
No,
Today's
change,
Ash
it-
Wednesday, the
it change,
first day
me
of
change,
Lent.
Me change, me
So you
change.
know you have to give up
No,
something
man, me have to
for
change for
40
that.
days
Me
and
can't-
40
no, man, me
nights.
not work with
So
that
what you
charity
give up?
for.
What you give up?
Me not give up nothing.
Eh?
Me a go out.
Fiddly, what you give up?
Boy, me I tell you the honest truth, me I contemplate, me I plan to give up alcohol drinking.
Yeah.
And one next substance when me abuse, me I plan to give up.
That hour.
Tell me some of the way you abuse us, where you argue. That's what you tell them.
No, weed man. I give it
Weed
up man for
You
weed.
never say a weed man yet.
But you know me that one.
I give up
Rasta.
weed
Yeah.
man.
Me that one. Most Jamaican a bad mind.
Yeah.
Give up the
Yeah,
bad
yeah,
mind.
give
and
up-
another one,
Simple.
Ah.
That more
Yeah,
and the
man.
covetousness when they
Yeah,
have.
give
You hear that?
And the ready eye.
Tell him again, Martel.
Eh? The bad mind.
Please.
The bad mind where them have and the covetousness where they have in them.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it and the honor you are
Ah, no, just feel it one and
Yeah,
keep
no, no,
get rid of it, man.
Just
Just cut it out altogether.
Cut it all together out of the system.
Yes, man.
I guess what no. Uno enough to make uno eye red.
No.
For nothing at all. Father said put your shoulder to the wheel. Another one I'm attacking. You know.
Which one?
So, go put it on the wheel, you know? You go put this one on the wheel and swap
Which one?
it.
Which
Press
one that's your
out.
layer? Which one that's your layer?
Eh? Your brain.
Oh, that it's your brain and shoulder.
Yeah, man,
And
your
shoulder,
brain. And this is guidance. You have to put your
Them
shoulder
na
to the
wing.
wheel.
Wing.
Then what you want to call them. So you put your shoulder to the wheel, you go out and demand what you want for yourself. You know, go take it, you know.
And you're not going ready.
You know, go ready.
Work
you know.
hard for that,
You work
rest
hard for it.
Yeah.
Oh, remember me telling you that. Prescribe, up and running, straight one Martel TV.
I say you bite off a fish tail already.
So see it.
Oh.
Oh, no care come serious.
That's thing just tell the man say swim away the thing in him.
And we talk about fish
Go
tail.
fish again.
When I come with fish and tail.
Yeah.
What kind of fish tail I come with? I don't tell us I swim away.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, my bad. My bad.
It's the easiest thing to catch and it's the hardest thing to catch. Because we gotta see if you hold there, I don't catch one.
I don't lie.
So, because sometimes they're not picking. You know, near my friend, you
Pick a fall.
yeah, I pick them thick fish, man. Bite out, you put on the hook.
Bite off the bait.
Bite off the bait and laugh.
Full
off
and belly
you.
and gone.
Gone.
Feed her, feed
Oh, you
them.
mean? Feed you, feed them. And just laugh off, you know, so enough for them time.
Come like when we go a dam the other day, what?
Yeah,
Last time, you know, when we got a dam, why I feel we couldn't catch no fish.
yeah,
After we got answer, right, I go buy some shrimp to catch a fish them.
yeah.
Feed them, I know, say, boy, shrimp too expensive to feed fish. What you feel feed them, make we buy?
Yeah.
What you feel make we buy?
I don't know.
Guess no? Guess what you make him buy as a bait?
Chicken back.
Chicken back, liver.
Liver. Oh, yeah, expensive thing more.
No,
Cheaper.
cheaper. So liver can't use as bait,
I
sir.
never know of that. You know,
I mean,
You never, not one when I catch rasta.
Because that then not come after that.
I type of fish them, man, that's why. The damn fish, they not
You know
like
what
liver.
damn fish they like?
They not like.
Marasa up there.
That they love.
Marasa and rub it up with the salt.
Oh.
Say if I catch a fish in your life, you just
Yeah, man, up a dam.
eh?
More than one.
Eh?
Yeah, them me and Bashman, there are some Bashman say, come side of me. I'm going to say, bam and chew it out. And by me chew it out, me feel the hook and man say, dry it in, you know. I'm dry it in a one of them size there.
Eh?
Yeah?
That I perch.
Yeah, up perch them up there. Go back again and chew it out. A bigger one come this time to blow up.
Ever use crab for catch? Ever use soldier crab them for catch fish?
Me never know about that crab. Me not deal with crab. None at all.
No crab in a barrel.
No crab. None. Whether left, right or center. No crab.
Yeah.
Oh, they sent me a soldier crab them and use as bait.
One, you have a suit?
In soldier suit.
A big rifle.
You have an SLR side of him.
Bulletproof vest and thing.
That soldier carries SLR and bulletproof vest and a helmet by head. You have to about soldier crab. Never see one of them sitting there yet.
As how you talk about the cockroach, you rasta?
You see you come back with it again? You saying come back with it again?
What kind of roach?
Saying come back with cockroach. I'm telling you,
What rasta?
he can't
As
name
you
no
say
cock.
as you say cockroach.
Name,
You
man.
may tell me say I go burn out Dalvina.
Me never tell you that.
What you want to give half a flower?
Then you forget it. That's the right to give that. That's the right to give and squid half a flower.
Why you should right for give me half a flower?
You have to share half is squidly and half yourself.
But-
But you always have to try to give Rasta low score.
Me?
You know, that'll be say, I don't mean say it. I
But-
will talk on the comment, you know, so.
I told me trouble your boy pork shots them, man, you know?
You mean to come and tell Rasta about the devil. All you have to say, burn you out of that with that.
The devil there hell, brother.
It's sweet when you hear she go on.
Pork or pork.
Then I should have tell you the truth, man, on everything when you come out. You want me to cook pork, you like your yes and
Oh,
never.
that's sweet.
I would have shine it one day.
You feel one idea if you go deal
With
next thing.
Angie.
Him,
You might forget it.
you hang him it.
You always like me know something that me know say you're crack, you know. Me tell them me know you're crack.
A egg.
You look like you're worse than egg. I don't know which part that I go and me I go look about that. No time
Oh, yeah,
after,
man.
not even in my dream.
Eh? So Rasta, as I say about dream, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
You never dream say you piss bed and piss it up in a real life yet.
That happened to me, man.
I lie at it. You know what say you not be honest,
Me
man.
not tell you lie
You never dream say you never bathroom and shut up piss it and piss up on the bed.
No, sir.
Eh?
Never that. Me never go there.
You must say alien.
Before that, me a alien.
Yo!
You never dream that you that fiddle.
No, go close. Me nearly for shot if it's in my bed already.
When you little fiddle and a dream, man.
No, man.
Dream say boy.
When you lick a
You
bit,
got a bathroom and shot piss.
when you
Piss
lick
up
a
on the
bit,
bed. Oh, you piss bed then you little then.
Me never had piece bed for me, look.
You don't know.
Just
You can't,
pampas.
man.
Lie, man, tell Rasta.
Lie, man.
Me say ask anybody.
Everybody
Lie
piss
at it.
bed.
You
Listen
piss
me.
bed. Ah.
Listen me. You see from me born?
You never piss bed yet?
No.
Lie at tell.
Hold on.
Where?
Bring up here. I call him.
Yeah, come mommy and ask her.
Right,
Yeah.
I call her. That's it.
Brother, you see,
man
Rasta,
fiddle,
Rasta,
man.
you see when I'm born? I me cut out my own neighbor string and come on.
Hold on, man. Hold on, I'm really here now. Hold on, Rasta. If she answer, I'll get the truth.
Yeah, put her on speaker.
Wait now, man. If she answer.
She answer, man. Put her on speaker, man.
Wait now. She don't answer, man. You escape this time.
Rasta, so you don't believe me?
You
Yeah,
can't,
believe me.
you can't cut your own everything. You just born as a tadpole in a
Rasta.
Yes, and tadpole.
tadpole like a frog.
The amount of
Yo.
sense when I'm born with.
Yo,
You see when I'm born?
Don't you spend them.
Me just tell the doctor, say, oh, hand me knife, I'm cut my own. Me no want to now feel me up. You see me?
Me know you piece of bed.
No, sir.
You piece your bed.
Piece of bed turtle.
In piece of bed turkey when you have grow as a little boy. Little bit of short and thump. Every minute you rank like...
Every minute my chest off a day. That's
What
all.
you mean? Nappy the fan line. Then time then. About that no nappy you gonna use then time. I gonna pampas you get. When a few time I'm nappy.
No, man, yeah. me have a nappy, man. Me still have a couple of nappy pin them down the yard too.
I'm not just saying that you use pin them. You see? But nowadays, pampas take over.
Yeah. I red peas make saltfish stew, bad man.
You not have red pea. I don't think makes saltfish stew for
You ever eat it yet?
For peas.
I first Rasta do this, you know.
Yeah, right now, you know, fiddly. And we are turning them now Rasta, you know.
Yeah.
You know say a classy?
Cause you know eat the Rasta meal them.
And we are trying to groom him.
Groom me now, groom me now. You can't groom me, because I'm not trim no here.
Rasta.
Raw your hair.
So you use vinegar upon yourself, so.
Me?
Most raw, you raw?
Yeah. You can't get bone. Where pad cover there?
Are you a cooking? Huh? That you just run me out of the kitchen and tell me. Me I help you with the coal a while ago and you run me.
Carry the pot where we use. Come. So where is the cover? I must use my head and cover the pot.
Yeah.
My head can cover the pot, but it can't go on the fire. The pot can't go on me and put on so.
No, we don't want to pot my head there.
I walk up and down
Yes,
and dance with
You
it.
put pot pan head and dance.
Yeah, and rum cup.
Yeah.
Pot head.
Anything. You can put from here and dance. All this.
Wow. But if you balance up pan head, you see.
Dance now, no? I want cartoon, you know? Yo, Mr. Rasta, yo. You want whole vibe, man, yo. Sample, yeah.
So I go and soak out some saltfish.
But I soak out all the salt out of it, don't you, my brother?
No, yes, that's a cleaner.
I want to tell you over there, grate some coconut.
You hear him?
Yeah. See him too. So you are doing so.
Me? I set up some different kind of menu for my hotel. Not a greater coconut.
So I told you how to cook today?
See? Me not cook. I pat me a look more.
So hold on. You will do this and him do the fish.
You know what him a do. You know what me a do. I do everything.
Alright
And
then.
channel, see? Saltfish me a clean up. Drop it on pot, I can go and boil out. With the rest of sitting there.
Peas, I'm gonna take time of rice.
I did.
Yeah. You know, 6 o'clock.
I was in there.
Spirit rice, 6 o'clock. Peas, rice, and water hot.
Rasta. You know me I pray?
Yeah.
And so fiddly say man give up the weed for.
No, me never tell you say me I go give it up. Me say me I contemplate giving it
And
up.
so you as a Rasta man now, you see me? And you should do eat meat from the beginning.
Can give up the goat.
You can give up the goat
Yeah, either.
for 40 days.
Nothing like that.
Ah, you may make a deal in there.
No deal.
Listen, me not hear that deal. I bet you love it.
You got it?
You see, if you give up the goat for 40 days, you see when you 40 days, no, meat overall for 40 days, you see when you done, and 10 pounds of goat to 3 hours of cook, and it's easy for that deal.
Here why we can't give Rasta that deal. Like, you see him? You can't try, when I come over him and cook this I go to see him here, man.
That's good.
Yeah, alright, you hear me tell you too? Yeah, man. You might eat that goat regardless.
I don't know him tell me about 10 votes, him give me 40 days. What's the thing say me a Jesus?
But for real though, you see if you don't eat the goat for 40 days, Rasta,
Nah, nothing for
I
me.
give you a better deal. If you don't eat the goat for 40 days, if you don't eat for 40, eat it for 40 days, we'll give you 40 grand.
Me no deal. Me no. Me?
At the end of the 40 days, you get 40 grand if you don't eat the
You
goat.
give me 100 grand. Me never deal yet because me no shuffle no deck. So no dealings around here.
Alright, don't worry
You
yourself.
can't keep your 40 grand.
So I eat goat.
What? What for something for eat him? If Cherry can come tonight, me I cook him. What to you?
Which one?
The green sitting there.
A fish season one? You know season, Rasta.
You must see them something, I know it will come now this.
I superpower season you used to.
A superpower that you no can
This
come.
are the original fish
Me
season.
never see that in a season yet.
But Rasta,
You just start cook.
you know, all fish really needs still a black pepper and
Salt.
But a cayenne pepper, you know.
Yeah, you know, cayenne, no.
So Rasta, I can use the two of them. I even put one for this saltfish stew.
Then two of them, no done.
Two of them all purpose, you know.
That one they all them.
Shut up.
All one they all on purpose tonight.
Man, check the fishes, man.
All one they all night and all I purpose they must go in there.
And check your madness, yeah.
You stay there. You go and tap your stupidness.
But something wrong with him.
So, look, so.
You do fit
You.
me.
Rasta.
With what?
Something wrong with there, Rasta.
Yeah, can you call it?
The man don't even
So
know.
where you go
He
season
don't
this
even know
stew
fish
with you,
season.
These shoes have been. Hey, you know, see that? Yo, you look like you're cracking, man.
Like a egg.
You're bad on egg. We are alright with it.
Yeah.
We are alright with it.
Remember, say, it all boil long when me get a last grade, you know.
Last grade, that is one thing you can't give me no grade, because I'm not no grader.
What that salt them I need then? Because you don't have salt.
Yes, Rasta. More
You say
salt.
about nothing but
Yes,
salt.
definitely.
Everything you talk, hey, yo, come out
More
of the
salt,
kitchen.
man. More salt.
Come out of the
salt.
kitchen. Just get a ref on the kitchen.
More salt.
More salt.
Yeah.
And more?
Tell him no, man.
More salt.
More salt.
More salt.
That we are deal
More
with.
oil.
That we are deal with.
None of that you talk about.
Salt and oil.
Salt and oil we are give today. Salt and oil we are drink today. More salt and oil. You see? More salt and oil that you all get today. Because you ever give me 2 and 3. So when you get all salt and more, you drink water.
One hydrate.
Okay, yeah, we can go and dehydrate the body. Because you want some water to drink. You know? I make you give us enough salt today. Up and running. Look at. The man saying great I quote now. Look at that. Look here.
Jesus.
Yes. I wickedest man when we see great I quote now. The people who look here, you know. The general saying great I quote now. That's some juice. Look at. Look at them big people.
And the man all shout and say, yeah, Rasta, you ready now?
Ready now. See that? You got wicked.
Rasta, we are going to do that piece.
That's a greater man.
You cut it up and put it in a stew piece.
Now it's 2 piece. Yep. You want to cut that 2 piece to feed?
Yeah.
I tell you that already, man. I want a long water stew piece,
see
one
that?
thick and nice.
You see all you can't get another coconut for me.
Remember a coconut powder me used to buy?
Yeah, that's an artificial a superpower you use so you no matter to you just throw in a mix.
Just look where you do, Rasta, because we don't want them ginger finger there in our coconut.
You put have ginger finger.
Yeah, guys, so as I said today, Ash Wednesday. So no meat today, no goat, none of that. Just some saltfish stew. And that's going to do some pala fry fish for this, yeah. Oh, yeah, do this actually.
You not sure that, you know? Hyper.
I want a piece of that today for test.
You?
See, I got to
Yeah.
With fry fish.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Today, me I test that.
I feel like I want to test it for real today.
Yeah, for real.
Yo, you said today, Fiddly, I know I give me a 10-second preview upon when I deal with the food. I you stand up and watch me till I done all of my own today. That's all, Rasta.
So, you know what, no man get a 10-second part when I go for done the whole life. And you want to come give man 3 and 2.
Who get 3 and 2?
No, you.
I never get no. The 3, you deserve that 3 there.
You are sick in your buff.
Every score I get, this is how you work towards me, you know.
Pass. All the way you give me pass it.
No, you
Graduate past that.
Graduate pass that from the day me start.
You see, when I give one 7 and up, I pass mark that, you know, you say 6 and downwards, I fail.
Is that feel your hell? No. Alright. Me feel.
Yeah, when I give one 6 and downwards, I fail.
You're mad man, and you feel man. Because if you didn't feel you don't eat the food. Remember me tell you that. You have to be that dash. You and you
That's why I want to fiddly record my entire thing today. When I dash my own and can't see boy.
I will fully dash you for.
Willfully?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because you know dash your food and cook sweet. You know dash your food and cook sweet with love.
Alright, Rasta.
The good old meal we prepare with so much love.
Yeah, I will dash you. So I will say I want to feed the fish with my dash you today.
Yeah.
Today.
Today, any day. No, just today.
So you know dash a lot of cook with any pot
Which
drop.
one? The flour?
And when the pot drop. What you know dash of that?
When the pot drop?
Yeah.
Never get nothing much for
I
that.
like
shit.
you tell man.
A 3 lily flour I get you know.
What then Lily?
Yeah, you think a little lily, 3 lily flour.
Lily has something like blue red flowers, you hear? And green like what you see Skelly.
3 lily
They
flour
have
I get
about
you.
3 lily.
Alaska say you want much you say bargain for 12.
But let's go work out good.
Him?
Mm.
You tell Alaska say if you just bring a bag of flour if you want more.
You know that even though? If you want more, you say you want a dozen.
Just bring a bag.
Just bring a bag. You can get cook, you can get fry, you can get all roast.
Yeah.
You can get back out some of raw flour too.
No, we not give back no raw, because you want if you eat.
Yeah, and you can't cook.
And you can't cook already, because I be a tin mackerel in look bowl.
So you cookie man, cook in tin mackerel man.
Man tell me say do me no look bowl nothing more, me just go and lick sachets quick and fast.
Sausage.
And corned beef.
And that you work with?
Little thing in there.
And tell me so. Well, super powerful in my deal.
Same thing with popcorn man, corned beef and bread.
Who name popcorn? Chris? Chris?
Yeah.
What's that do?
Every time I tell him say, yo, come cook something.
Yeah.
Corned beef and bread.
Which part?
That he want to give him man.
Corned beef and bread?
Yeah.
Yes, it's as in Leah Hega, Chris, I eat them.
Me I tell her.
Chris now.
You must think say that, you must think say 9 item ago, my corned beef and bread. When like a prior meeting.
So Rasta eat egg too?
Egg too?
Egg, you eat egg?
Me no like no egg too.
You eat egg though?
Then nothing wrong with the egg if a flat. Then most
Yeah, what you mean? I'll stop.
He don't know what to say.
beat out all the egg when you have French fry and chicken and dip it night and you dip it night.
Egg no eat still, Rasta.
I like you
A
tell.
butter make come out, you know?
Yo,
Egg good for you, Rasta.
So what egg come out of Fiddly?
egg come out.
Out of the hatcher. Out of the hatch hole.
Rasta. Put for your joke, Rasta. Butter make come out. So when egg come out?
Out of the hatch hole.
No, out of when for
Out of
out of when for
That's
push
why I
out
say
the
our
egg.
pieces come for it more while. The shell.
What am I say?
I went for lay out in front of
But
you love blood steam out that. You don't know you love that part, but let's sit there.
people who eat egg when you stop, a butter may come out.
People, when you continue to eat on the egg.
Because it's rich in protein.
The protein, no, not do it. No, not doing nothing what wrong. We eating 2 little eggs. Yeah, some people.
Hey, Rasta, I want to check it out.
Yeah,
Listen me now.
yeah, one man I eat all 12 while egg in my
Listen me now. You say, as you, man. When you wrong, you know,
We
all
do.
the cow milk you not drink, and
Ah,
cow
we
not
have
drink food milk, you
A
know.
joke here again.
So I go and knife pot Rasta.
Sit there. We are bubble up.
I'm going to take a cup of this now.
Yeah, soup, yeah, red pea soup.
I tell you.
Rich in flavor, rich in mind.
Ah, the red pea soup?
Yeah, and full of love in heart.
Rasta say rich in mind.
Yeah.
Not
Red
in the
pea-
pot.
Red pea soup, yeah.
Yep. Dash it in there.
One thing, Rasta. Some likes you when.
Ingredients prepare and put on, yeah.
Alright.
I hope you use up all light.
You might use them, man, for and clean them, I use them.
I hope you use all light today.
Let me take up your feel. You don't have them already?
Nobody know them type of ingredients, sir. So me have my special ingredients, sir. See? So, you know, just put them in a pot, sir. Now, peel them, wash them off back. Dice up, sir.
Cleansiness.
Yeah.
Nice soup at the man, Rasta.
You see me a cook soup?
No, me say so. You fiddly say. You see me?
So Rasta never hear me say that.
You hear what you want, man. Go on, I cannot hear.
I have a piece super power soup one side of hide, you know see that?
Hey, man.
Super
Super power soup.
No,
You can say cup soup.
the cup soup.
You say
You know, sir, I never take drink one of them something there.
Cup soup?
You mad?
Why?
Never.
Why?
Me no know why.
Guess not take care right yet.
You drink it though?
Cup soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, but me just.
You know why
me no drink ramen though.
And worse why me no like it again to worse me eat it. Me see China them night so.
No, cup soup.
No,
I'm gonna watch.
no,
I be here.
AI video them I watch, man.
no, so no glove champ it.
Be here, you watch, man.
I mean to say, oh, right now AI dangerous with the elder them, you know.
Because then
Yeah,
no real
they don't know
from
real from fake, man, me I tell you.
A long time that I go on.
AI?
You trying to my trampoline and no.
Nothing I go so,
It's
man.
alright.
Remember, I think I have a standard way to pass, you know. So hard when I said this go and that go and nothing I go
So
so.
let me bring that to show, sir. And people that stop eating no go.
Which part you see it?
Up on TV.
AI, man.
So when you watch a movie restaurant, you see man get a shot. You don't get shot for real in a movie.
Hold on, no?
You get shot with a
That you better make it know,
plastic
cause
one.
Rasta look like you believe them something, you know.
Yeah.
Plastic shot.
When you watch a movie and see they shot them a ground corner,
Yeah.
you think them something real, Rasta?
Believe it.
You think some I eat that? I'm a band big. You must think some band big.
I don't think that's that.
So me I believe everything I see on TV.
Me kind of feel a belief too, you know.
I don't know knowledge about believing it. I don't believe in a superpower.
Yeah.
You believe
So
that?
me ask you, I think you
You-
believe when you used to say Santa Claus come down through.
You believe that cause Santa
You
Claus?
believe it?
No, cause Santa Claus can come down to chimney and can nothing come give me.
So make you build chimney.
Rasta,
for me,
that because I tell you, say
Come
Rasta
Which
believe.
part my chimney then?
See him build the chimney up on top
Which
of your
part?
house.
Where there? Show me.
Who's trying to
Show me.
zoom in
Where
it
chimney
for the
there?
people.
down. Santa
But that
come
chimney
down.
is small, Santa can't fit through that.
You're mad to make that, man. Santa can't come here so no time. If you no come now ghetto, how am I come a hills? If you no come now ghetto, how am I come a hills?
Hills are safer place.
I come a ghetto first, feed the ghetto first.
Before you come out here.
Yeah.
So you believe in it,
Believe now what?
the Santa.
Me not believe now nothing where superpower.
So not
Sometimes
much.
I come here with a reindeer around you saying that your eyes are coming to not dry. The thing that fooling it.
With the red nose reindeer.
So Rasta ever used to put down all the milk and cookie away tree and take this.
No sir. Me not doing anything there.
Rasta take all in teeth, them a put on the pillow, wait for
yeah,
tooth fairy.
And people are telling
And
us
Lasco do it to the other side. Lasco have one teeth left. Big out all the field.
people are
Tooth-
telling us,
tooth fairy gone with them.
When I take out your teeth, we chew it for a house stop and rat will bring back no teeth.
So you do that?
Hey,
rat
may I
will
tell you,
lift up
say, yo,
spirosis.
you see back in a Rasta days,
Yeah.
then the easy for chicken and all of them
Cheaper.
madness that them a teach them.
Believe in it, so.
Believe in
That's
our man.
how come in our style, believe.
Me not believe in
Yeah,
that,
man.
hold on, you know.
Santa will come through chimney.
Yeah, madman.
We will tell you, wrap up all your teeth in a tissue.
If
For
you
what?
believe that then thing there, see? The rat will have leptospirosis and you say we chew your teeth and your stop. So you make a rat come like here mouth to come get teeth. It's sick in the head with have leptospirosis.
But when you look to Rasta, you don't know nothing about no
That joke, yeah.
leptospirosis.
Yeah, man, yeah, you don't think that talk said.
From your liquor?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The rat have leptospirosis. Anything a rat eat, nothing go eat, you nothing touch it. Cause that no good again.
So, but you believe in Santa?
Never. Santa can't come to town.
Alright.
Santa got a foreign town now, yeah, so.
You go snow there.
Then go snow there. No snow not at Jamaica.
Yeah.
But me not believe in no superpower. You
Yeah.
can't bring that here so to me.
So you believe in a ghost?
Ghost? Me never tell you believe in no
That
ghost.
you tell me
Spirit.
glad say the vlog
Spirit.
today, you know.
Spirit is there.
And I go about if you see your mother come back, either talk.
Oh, you mean in my mother?
And can't your mother that
Oh, you
you say,
can't tell me that. I feel my mother already. We
Yeah.
fear one day.
yeah, she alive
Then
and
you
well.
don't ease yourself, man.
So me I tell you say what you are going to see now. I can't your mother, you devil that.
Devil, me never see devil yet.
So now she even
Yeah,
say you
my
know your
mother
mother
can't.
farm.
Devil, mother, that devil in a day and bring me come.
Me I thought
So it
the
says that
day-
devil
me I
can't
thought
come
when
here.
dopey where you see.
No, man.
I can't your mother that again.
I'm a mother.
Like you're mad.
Yeah, you're sad.
You're mad man.
You're sad.
I got some holy water over here sprinkle with me.
Yeah?
while-
My
Yeah.
holy water. My holy water, I quote that, man. See there? You know, me not no more than that for you. One slap out of my holy water. You know what? That's my holy water. Me no want no more holy water, man.
Rasta. Bowl of ingredients.
Bowl of ingredients.
Wow.
Ingredient packet now, brother. See there?
Wow, touch this.
Listen,
Yeah, get
Charge
better
it.
and better, you know. Me nah move my hand.
Me I tell you, say, this I go come out well today, me I tell you that.
Touch this, you know, 'cause me nah move my hand today.
Yo,
Yo, heal the man, you mean?
see there?
Man, I teach you right thing
I'm
them.
teach him.
I'm me a teacher.
You can't teach me when me a cook.
Okay, man.
Yeah?
Me don't even want to bother on the saltfish in this. I see me some more of this, so just cook down. Yeah, Rasta?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm on
I first Rasta looking meal this me ever see. Yeah. No, coming from you, me attack. First real Rasta looking
Watch
meal.
yourself, road boy. You gotta see many more to come. See it?
Oh God, man.
So saltfish are going there now.
Yes, Rasta. Yeah, go on good.
I best this me see my going so far.
Yeah, that's it.
But guys, this meal I gonna be the last one for 40 days, cause we say we want to give up the meat. But Rasta say boy I can't give up meat for 40 days, so this will be the last meal for 1 month time. Right, Fiddly?
No, wrong.
Or if you are going to do a vlog, there are some veggie chunks and some vegetable.
Can do that, yes?
No chunks on us. I don't know what you talk about.
Cook up some season and eat and them little thing there, see me?
Fiddly, season thing I say.
Yeah.
Just fry up some season.
Cook up the season and just saute it down in some...
rice still.
Where that is
There
it?
some flour, some beetroot flour, some pumpkin flour, and then little thing there.
Well, I want my flour them, but I still want pound of rice.
Pound of rice?
Side of my own, yeah.
I'm mad. You're licking your head.
No go on, Peter.
True, I see you with the Heil enough. I see you with the Heil, I have to go and check you out today.
Yeah, a fish, me I go fry for I'll have to eat.
Ah, let that high laugh you.
Yeah, this,
No.
today are the only day.
Not use all like.
Eh? What?
Not use
A Rasta say that?
Not then a fish I go fry now. You don't want to say they cover with fish.
Me say, me shocked for hear you say that.
Shock?
Though. So we don't have views all
So
I
then yeah, current over your
So,
fish.
so Rasta, I give up for length.
Yeah, now give your eye feeling.
That not sound bad. That not sound bad.
Nah, cannot give up.
No more high cholesterol meal.
No, we cannot give up the goat
Yeah,
tonight.
give the goat.
Cannot give up the goat. I tell you so right now, see, a white rice we are cook with stew,
Yeah.
peas and saltfish and
But
carrot.
Rasta, when the people here stew piece, them, I think say pork and everything.
You mad man, you not do you we can't take care no man. More time I have to
No,
wonder
no,
how.
Fiddly eat pork, but
Hold on,
people
no,
do
but
other
every-
things.
It come like he eat the pork
No,
too.
hold on. Sometimes I wonder, yeah, chip. You have a chip I work with where you press it and I'm not
Yes,
broke.
me
That
not
have to come
talk
in.
really talk with pork, but you know traditionally, a pigtail in a stew piece,
No,
no
sir.
Fiddly.
Yeah, yeah.
Night. Pigtail
No,
now.
but me
No,
say
traditionally.
I say it come.
You can't take it.
I remember stew peas and Fiddly and then thing there. Now when slave people there, so them thing them have to use the little scraps.
Yeah, yeah.
I will let that for you.
Then that the man tell you, man.
You want pepper in this and garlic when you highlight, you go and burn.
Let's go
But
in.
Rasta, them fish they can't have small pot. Yeah?
Why not you can't hold in there? A two are going there and fry.
So if fish are big than the pot, it's me ask you a
So
question.
I'm not fry them, I'm going to fry. I roast it.
Yo,
If I roast it,
Rasta dark like engine oil today.
So you come up here to that, where you hide from?
Yes, your maid shine.
Hide from God.
Me say if it does your maid shine.
So why make fear that fish shine so?
Cause we went to the barber.
Barber that
And a
not sure
groom.
that we just a cut off.
Oh, Rasta, when I forward to them, I see a place that I say Jaja God. I say Jaja God like we now get a vlog there,
And
but Father God.
I let me take up all the clothes so early. I'll check the rain, I go far.
Yeah, in place of a dark.
Yeah, the dark,
But
but me
Father
check-
God, you
but
say
me
we need
sure-
a vlog.
No, me sure tell us if place I go bright.
So you take it up.
Not
Him
sure-
never
not
sure.
sure we want the flag today and the clothes not in the flag. So we cannot have clothes in everything going. And you don't know,
True.
we have to have clean. The clothes can't fall line when they have certain things. You have to get the clothes off the line and make sure.
Alright, go on, go get a piece of garlic Rasta for dropping in a pot of oil.
We have to get the garlic and the peppers, prescribe,
Yeah.
up and running.
Rasta, the stew spot smell good, you know?
Yeah, man. Come in. Make we go over there.
Me I go
Yeah,
for
you have to
me
swag,
I go
man,
for the
man.
secret ingredients.
Butter?
No, me no know if it's not butter.
Oh.
I'm secret ingredients. So ingredients. Me I go for.
We still walk on nice stew pot there, cause it a kick up. Oh.
The long water song come down. Or if you can't come down, you get a roast and yogurt and turn it in a soup.
Yo,
Either
Rasta.
way, you have to go work out.
Them flavors that we are boiling together,
Smell
man. I
good
tell you,
still.
man.
I bet so after this, you know, no more goat. Every day, man, say, I stew more.
I say, I'm not telling you, line up, man. Tell
Stew,
it's
man.
still better than the goat, you know.
Yeah, man, I say it to them, man.
May I tell you this, you see, right now? Who no can get me to tell you the way me want a goat, me say. Whether stew or glue,
Say, like, it's stew goat now.
stew goat. No,
Yeah.
stew goat can't like, me can't like stew goat. Curry goat. Curry goat. Every day, I will eat curry goat.
7 days.
7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Curry goat. Right through the day. Curry goat. Curry goat. Rasta says, I'm going to drop in my garlic. In my frying pan now. when the fish I go fry.
Last time you just sizzle that while, you know, man.
Me not-
Once you put
Put it in,
the
man. We see if we hear the sizzling
You
sound.
can't tell me no about nothing. You know when you sizzle, but I want to get the sizzle. I sizzle you have to hear. You think I sizzle like this? Sizzle that bubble hill. You know I'm bossy pot?
Yeah.
Every bossy pot you want
Everybody-
like
So
that.
if you bust the pot, everything run away.
Thing leak out and ground, so you can't tell to bust the
Alright,
pot.
nobody bust the pot. Open the pot, please.
Open the pot
Or rise the pot cover.
Rise the pot cover.
Yeah, I said the right thing.
See there?
Jesus.
pot of soup this rest of
You know where you say to go right down where you go.
Yo,
See
you know
there?
me I go start work on something tonight.
God.
The camera we can smell. I me I
Like
start
I
work
said,
on
let me taste
tonight.
it
Me
just
want my
now.
people and smell what I go on, man. I
I
tell you.
have to know how I go on from earlier. Though.
Yeah, tell him what I go on.
Everything hot.
That's how anything get a come out of the fridge.
I look for me. One year.
Watch your face.
You want to know what
Look
I
at his face. Look at yo, so, look what I tell you.
Yo!
Wife have a smile. You must say my wife have a smile. So you know, say,
Yeah,
say nothing
it's
more.
sweet him.
Sweet him.
Like I said, man, remember us grading time. You know.
Grading time, we not use no grader over here on the road now. make
Think
us
of
know.
school with it.
Think of that in believe. A pot we a cook and a school we have give no grade.
I do the exam.
I don't know exam. A teacher give a grade at school. A pot with the round. Like
So
math.
you said this is our saltfish stew.
This is a saltfish stew today with red peas, carrot.
Pigtail.
Yo. Up and running.
You say I drop in? You think you say a swimmer right then?
And
Yeah.
I think I want to go first and I drop in here.
Here you say fish.
Fish? Yeah, no fish over here.
How much of them there we have today, Rasta?
4 of them I drop in. Oh, that's right.
Oh, but you don't know if you do this, man. You burn up yourself.
Oh, yes, sir.
Drop the fish there in nice, like. One more can hold them.
No, man. Not put no more than 2 at a time.
Alright.
You want to laugh,
That's
though?
something you want to laugh about. You want to laugh about something and listen, madman.
You can cover a pot, you know. Make it stew down.
This is right now. This when I cook, don't tell about no stew down, because I not cook no stew down. I fry fish.
Alright.
Right? So this two I cook over this already. Saltfish, red peas, carrot, Irish potato, sweet potato, scallion, pepper.
And tail.
Our? That is the secret ingredient over here. You can't see it. I don't ready to drop it in here. You don't know. You cannot see it when I put it in. I'll send you for something down there, so get it away from around here. When I put in my
There's no
chicken.
fiddler.
Fat bubbling, fat fry.
You're going alright, huh?
Like today, man, I go on good today.
So me ask you a question.
If you might get too much guidance.
Guidance? You think me that guidance counselor? I me ask you a question now. In front of a pot of fry with the fish. Every time you look about something, like the love we have with the food. You know none?
If
Me ask you a
eat
question.
none,
Yeah. How are you from but man?
Some of them must eat just that.
Go here wipe your nose and let me
I
think
know all
there.
the while it's nice. We
How
just
did I
use it.
tell?
Me tell you,
Lie
say
you
based
tell.
on the score, and score me give that you
You
deserve.
say you is a liar. True. Yo,
Just a turn it, the
yeah,
angle.
true. It never say thing turn up. So never catch about the thing go on.
What do you say now?
Every time you get the food,
Yeah.
and we look about on the Martel channel, you love it to your heart.
Why you say so?
That is, I make sure give you a taste in your hand first at all time. So you see it.
I
You-
eat that, it's really.
What we say? Before the final score come. So when you get that, and you see him giggle off your face and if a smile come on. Where that
Rasta.
feel right for you?
You know you love your meal. Cause
Touch
every
it.
minute he might tell you, say, yo, me taste.
All right.
You know, the
Nah,
flavour.
nah, say nothing
It's
more.
sweet him, Rasta.
Sweet him.
So you can give a 12 or a 10 to them, man.
Rasta, leave the fish them, I break them up. Let the fish them fry.
You can't tell me how to fry fish. You ever fry fish, eh?
What you say, man? I want to turn sardine, that's the one.
Yeah? Tell them, you know, Rasta, no know for fry fish now, watch it.
Yes, we know the raw and the fire and all something.
Yeah, man, sardine here, yeah.
Rasta put the fish them in a cold oil and I try to turn it.
Lie your damn telling boy.
Yes, I understand.
Lie telling boy.
Put the fish in a cold oil, man. And they try to turn it.
So them are in a coal eye.
Yeah, the
Oh,
fire
them
nice,
look on them there. Them that it was in coal eye.
No, this do properly because you
Look,
put
I
it in
told
the
you to
right
coal, you
temperature
can't
oil.
You coal burn out and done. Do we have to chop out now? Wood in it and I make it.
No, stick.
Me no chop stick. Me no chop stick.
Chop up wood, put in a year one.
Wood me put in a fire.
Yeah, Rasta, your pot a blaze though.
Yeah, that look good.
Coal stove blazing.
Yeah. I say if it blaze.
Good Rasta. It look fiddly.
Alright, the fish in the pot no look too good.
Which one?
Look chop up.
Man, the fire bunny.
What? Feel it all ago.
I want the Rasta one. You want it on sardine?
You see me I cook sardine, yeah? All you.
So we make you mash out the
Voilà,
fish. So.
look at now. Tired, look. I know you are cooking now. And look how you are sweat.
Right, cause the time
I'm
hot.
fret, yeah, fret. Which part time at? Which part we there in a cool over there?
Me a fret if you go run my belly with this a stew, yeah.
Oh, that you have in mind. You have a running belly.
Rasta say salt can't run belly, I remember. I still don't salt. You know.
Alright.
Never see salt run belly yet.
Anything
You
else?
are running belly. The
Oh, so
salt
that's why Rasta ever try salt the food and fiddly.
If you make sure say your belly no run, you know?
You know run boy, yeah.
See your belly that run.
You remember you salted?
Well, I know me have two rope in there now. Can't tie see what that's tie see.
Fool is one time it's a bubble Rasta.
You use this Hawk
So
shot.
Rasta then sit there for a cobby bar.
I say me swear think a plastic bag in over water already.
Like coconut milk, man. See there?
The superpower milk.
We don't use no superpower.
Coconut stain that man.
Coconut stain. All you know
But
use it.
Rasta. One nice little meal is pan holiday, you know.
Me no know holiday. No day no holiday for me. So me no know you are saying about
You
holiday.
mean no day no holiday?
Which one I day holiday?
Holiday, I say bad man.
No day is holiday. Today they say. What kind of Wednesday?
Ash Wednesday.
So all Wednesday ash.
You see what if ash is here? I must say this here.
Listen alone, let me know only one thing me know where ash is ginger. Ginger is a very ash thing. So today Wednesday ash, I know people probably challenge me when you subscribe and tell me say today ash. Which part I ash? Only ginger me know ash. No Wednesday can't ash. The Wednesday just smoothly going through.
And joyful.
And joyful. Spread joy and love on the Wednesday. No hash Wednesday. They might bring hash Wednesday. What is the hash?
A ginger.
It must be ginger.
Yes, a ginger Wednesday.
A ginger Wednesday. It must be a ginger Wednesday. Because ginger, I know it's very harsh. Now you buy a piece of ginger and you taste and try. Harsh. Let me tell you that.
Yeah, people. So stay tuned for the cobweb rice, you know?
Martel channel, one YouTube. If you want to go on YouTube and look on the TV, see like a seat stay up and running.
Cobweb rice.
No cobweb rice on here, Martin.
No trash rice.
No trash rice. And you shouldn't even punch out if you say not content about trash rice.
I don't tell you that. I fiddly I say trash. I mean I say cobweb rice.
So
Cobweb
what
rice
I
is stew and
question
fish.
You see, I and I look at cobweb rice.
Yes, pound
Look,
still.
you look out the road, you see cobweb and pan white. I don't know why I have to cook now.
Listen, me yes, pound.
To be honest, you say the cobweb nowhere on the yard.
No cobweb.
Look, set, run the phone.
Me not see no cobweb and me not see no trash.
And you don't see no trash. And you might talk about cobweb rice trash.
Cobweb?
Cobweb rice trash. And you don't know what you're speaking properly.
Cobweb
I have
rice.
never seen that yet.
Cobweb rice.
Cobweb rice trash.
And trash rice.
Well, where? You're not sitting over
All
here.
I will see it on the camera.
You cannot sit over here because it's not there here. No.
Fiddly, you never see cobweb rice?
No.
Yeah, me see cobweb.
And you a wicked bamboo.
That's all I know.
Yo, me see all them bamboo there. A couple of them you just climb up. Yo, look there. Try like that. Catch a ball in there. See him? Jesus
In gone.
Christ, that bird they're pretty today. Hey, no, they don't carry the little slingshot. Would buy my.
They say we would have that if we go with the saltfish stew there.
Roast, me not roast him.
Yeah, the hungry Rasta, me say promote violence
Me
right
not
now.
promote no violence. That food that for me eat. Me not
Food
stop for me. Me not know
I'm
about
vegetable
you.
and chunks,
Me
you
not
talk about you talk about my plate.
Go yeah.
Remember we give up them thing they feel length still, so.
So that means we don't no more vlog if you know then.
Flag the right
Tell them,
show.
can't tell them no
Flag
more
the
vlog.
right show. And I tell them say, anytime them come back for the next flag, don't let my 2 pound go.
I man see what we are cook there next time,
Which
man.
one?
You see them croton leaf there back
All
away?
the understand. You like croton leaf.
You see them color croton leaf there?
Pretty croton leaf.
And that we are going to cut up with some season and eat.
One side while me I cook my goat and chick the ram goat me say every time prescribe.
No more vlog until Lent is over.
Alright.
More flag right through the length because we have to cook the goat.
But on a flag.
And the people them love
On
the
a flag. On a flag, Rasta.
Our
A vlog.
black. I call that the V Va. You want me to tell you? Vlog, flag, up and running, prescribe. One Martel TV. See there? Natural thing we are dealing with people like Wednesday. This man tell me say he Wednesday hash. Look on the grass then. Grass then green and pretty. Hold them to hash. And Wednesday hash.
Yeah, nice.
And ginger alone me know hash.
Nice like a Wednesday vibes.
You like Wednesday vibes is nice car. The sun is shining, breeze is blowing. Look at the bamboo then is flagging.
And we have
We
life.
have whole heap of food. We have a seal pot of rice.
Cowboy rice.
You know, don't you never do that on this channel, young boy. You just get
Yo, you have to get the most important thing we have, man, Rasta.
fried fish is right here.
Stew
See
piece
there?
is a piece of pigtail.
Nah, man, no life, man.
See there, look, see
Him
there?
have to talk about everything
Hello,
else.
see there? Fried fish is right here. Up and running. And you can do anything you want. Catch a picture, bro.
Fish they ugly, you know.
You like your face. And see there? And see there? The party take time bubbling up one side here. I simmer down when I see it ingredients right away. And
Only
come,
for
and
web.
come over here, me now, me TV channel, brother.
You must share it off, Fiddly.
The whole stew.
It's still soup.
I got my stew right here ready. My saltfish stew with my
Gosh,
saltfish and everything. See
Watch a
here,
piece of
people.
pigtail there, push up.
Yo, get away. Yes, people. Yeah. Up and running.
Alright, Rasta. No soapy today. Job well done. Rasta.
Me I cook no soap here. Think you ever cook? Me I cook soup. When I cook curry, manish water. You get soup.
Chop rice.
No chop rice.
This is Fiddly the cowboy rice. I come out well.
Yeah.
Rasta take out a piece of cowboy in your can.
No cobweb in my rice. You know no set. I don't know you see cobweb in a skeleton.
You go on good, man, Rasta.
Yes, I'm going good.
It's coming right down.
I go and tell him I get to the Fiddly.
I hope so.
You want to bag over the rice and you don't stay out now. Then I'm good. So Rasta, you get a big ugly plate, man.
No don't have chicken and things in go buy the food there, man. And you ever tell me about say.
You never get down there.
No?
You get down there. Martel get down there. Me can't, Martel say you will save your plate. Where your plate there? Out of shop. Right now, that's the thing now.
No, but you always a tell me say box food them not prepared love. But anyway, I could conceive this have love in it.
The cowboy rice look good.
Yeah man, here man, it look good
This
man.
is plastic, so it can heal. So, fully up.
Rasta, I don't know my rice on this. It's on my one.
A liar tell.
No, remember saying not to.
Too wide. Are you the man that love rough too much rice?
Oh.
And you kill all rice?
Chop rice.
And they bother, but you want chop rice.
Trash rice.
Yes, and trash rice. No trash rice and chop rice around here.
We'll put coconut trash in rice.
Put coconut trash in there.
It's one style, you know, man.
A natural thing you put in there.
I tell you something. You say cooking.
So you coconut no natural Rasta?
You say cooking a creativity.
And the creativity I do now. That's what you could share.
Ah, creativity I
Every
do.
creativity you couldn't share now.
And not creativeness I do Rasta. Cravingness.
Me no crave that all. You are craving this round there like kin up your teeth.
You see big Pyrex where you go for?
Run, go for this,
Yeah. That's alright now.
It's alright,
No man, put more. I like Rasta tell you.
Put more. Put one more
more.
spoon.
You know Rasta
Yeah, one
now.
more spoon
That
and-
not enough for
Yeah,
Rasta.
no,
Just
no,
put a next spoon.
That is enough. The way I put it there so far.
That's how we want it.
Me no want you give me a spoon.
You know which spoon you share?
You say you want space for your stew sit down
I
here.
space to me
Come
stew
out of
and
the-
space to me fish.
Come out of the kitchen, you done cook
You
now.
can't tell me that. Me a general around the party, around there. So me can't back out of the kitchen.
But remember, so when you're in the kitchen, we can't come in there while you're
Yeah, they
cooking.
can,
No?
they
Come
can,
out
they
of
run
the
it.
kitchen.
So
and
just
start.
move with the
Yeah.
talking while Martell share,
Yeah,
please.
Always move it out.
Come around this
You
side.
know the road and the right one is so full of smile.
Yeah.
See the people, the good old saltfish stew where Rasta I like.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, say, I'm a Rasta this man, a Babylon in B man.
Yeah.
Hold on.
How can I give it a stew that you
No,
put
me
in
I
my
get
food?
some more.
Remember, you don't like it, you know?
Rasta.
And me look about this and I think out the road this look about.
But remember, you don't like it.
Me no look, me no buy stew out the road.
So
Me
you
no
have to
buy
prepare it.
stew a road.
Why?
Me prepare it on my yard because I know where me use in my ingredients to deal with my stew. So out the road stew can stay out there and roll. Me
Make
nah
sure
out
your
the road.
stew no screw my belly.
You better make sure you screw your belly.
Stew peas. Alright.
Stew peas or stew please.
You take up my one.
No, remember you have fish. We are going to do
I
one.
can put one fish pan.
Stew!
Me and my one swimmer we can't put pan there, so you can't tell me how to deal with it. You go like say you go swim and get
Put one fish in a Rasta plate.
We can give a review though. Hold on, let me get some of the soup part too.
Who you talk?
Fiddly man, I remember me I get some more soup part to
Yeah, I like gravy, you know, man. Put it on the rice itself, you know?
No gravy this bad man.
No, the good thing about this, no oil. Yeah.
The Heil.
No,
Now
Heil
you
no
tell me
make
say me I
this.
give Heil today. Click!
Fiddly.
Hmm?
Other fish are Rasta.
I broke up on that? No, man, the one with Chamba Chan. Yes,
The one
man.
name I hide. Peter.
See the papa of my fish. How you take that fish?
I Rasta one that, man.
Oh,
Yeah, when I ride
John,
fish trap in there.
John,
Don't you go back in there that
I
they
heard
go.
this man.
Yo! What a man dangerous man. Man tapping that fiddle with a power feet again.
I
Eh?
heard that man.
You know, say, I hear a sardine that, man.
Me not deal with sardine pan the camera.
You know, eat sardine for you.
Me not eat sardine pan the camera. No can sardine
Half
on the
camera
pan.
eat
Oh.
sardine.
Me never tell for half camera.
I'm not sardine, you eat Rasta.
I swim
See her
away.
one there, go give man your review.
Or you forgive a review, I share. You
Me a
force.
share?
Yeah, you force it off.
Alright,
Me
then.
borrow your cover then.
No, but you can't borrow my cover.
It's hot, brother. Give man the cover.
You can't use your hand.
Half a 15 for that one. Hold on.
Yeah, mats. Alright.
Yes, sir, for presentation,
Hold
Rasta.
on there. Give me a look close up there.
Yes, for look. I give you 110 for look.
Mm.
Fiddly,
Oh, as in testing smiling a Rasta.
No,
You know what that mean? You know what that mean? As in testing smile.
Gonna lead.
Oh!
You see today? I give you 9.
Just full of crime.
So 9 a great score.
No, man.
9 and a great score. 9 a 8 score.
9 is no score. Put on the score and forget.
And 9.
Me say put on the score and forget.
It a eat well, so
Well, so you sit down now.
Alright.
it a go on well.
What would I give the 10?
The 10?
Yeah.
Not more.
You mean it a get the 10 fiddly?
Me know what you are going to say, man. No, me I go feed right now. Hold on, people. Me I cut. Me say, people, me know what it I go say. See them here? Two nice cherry. Yeah, man. Rasta, bust the water and wash them off for me, please. Yeah, man. Inside this would make it get the 10 done.
So him say.
So we wash it off and make him gear your 10 today.
Pepper in that already. You
want the cut one or the uncut one?
Yeah. Go on well.
Then him deny.
One big green one in there.
Huh?
Because of one big green one in there.
I just say pepper still. That make I get a 10, but you see ital meal today. So go on.
Me not dealing nothing like that.
So go on.
If I put up them 2 thumbs there, I 10 that.
Oh, the pepper go on.
Yeah.
Pepper hot?
This one they put up them 2
Pepper
thumbs
hot?
there,
Yeah,
I
pepper
10
hot,
rastas to me get. Then they put up 2
Food
thumbs.
go on.
10
Right, look
again.
fiddly.
Yeah, man. 10 out of 10, man.
Mm-hmm.
I know about the flavor wise,
Yeah, you
but
see the pepper now fiddly.
yeah.
Rest of me I tell you, see if you cook it pepper.
Let me not cook with pepper.
Listen me now.
Every day you get
See
10.
if you cook it pepper, you get some 10 you see. But you not cook it
So
pepper.
10 you say. So 10 you say.
Tell me what you
Me
get.
no want no Tennessee over
Yeah,
here.
I state of America, I'm talking about Tennessee.
Tennessee. Me no want no Tennessee over
No,
here.
you buy it. So tell the man what you really.
Rasta,
We don't.
rise up a plate then when we get that. Rise it up. Rise up the plate there.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, man. You ever see chicken and things ram so boy?
This is why chicken and things can look like this.
You see chicken in your plate?
This is chicken on my plate.
Me see you that chicken and things plate.
With that plate like where come from there.
Okay.
Oh. Running.
How much you say?
20.
You know if you stop then.
20 out of how much? 100? That bad Rasta.
100 me forget.
20 out of
Out of 100. You feel?
Feel it. 100 me forget.
I mean,
Always 100.
100 every time.
Every time.
You like the ital food today?
Me no cook no Italian.
Just
No,
easy
no,
now.
no.
How you like the stew?
Yeah.
Honest review. Me say how you like the stew.
I don't cook no stew.
How you cook?
I must say,
A few.
a joke of this. You say?
They were on. You know what I'm saying? Joke.
No,
We
of
just
course.
serious, sir?
You have to give joke, man.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Rasta, we just tear down for make fit go on video though.
I cut the camera now, because I get out of hand.
So when pepper we cut up already then.
You want pepper too?
You did it, man.
Now we do like that for
Rasta.
food.
You know my
Well,
style
nice,
already. Listen, me, no, man.
Well, nice there.
I'm not sure.
The man
but
a
I
give
tell you,
review.
say, Presentation, visual presentation.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Alright,
Point.
but Fiddly, remember if I have visual, me would I get that 10 there? No, it's me share.
No, man.
Say for visual fiddly.
Plate, yes.
Yes.
Alright, watch you now. You see, if you're looking at the plate, what would I say? Palatable. We I give you the tender for your shape.
Yeah, respect.
You see me? How the food itself look you know, colors and everything, vibrant. I give you a 10 for that. But I tasting right here, taste test, you see me?
Yeah, you say a taste?
Yeah, taste test. Yo, listen me. So you look for me so serious.
Look like a man wants me to cry.
No man, you look serious man.
I'm one looks man.
What?
Yeah. So, alright, so how much would it be without
It's hot.
the pepper?
Alright. Now I'm going to you see stew? Stew alright. I give him a 9 for his stew. You see me? Stop look for me some man. You see coconut and everything. Yeah man, I taste all of them flavor there. But you know my style Rasta, pepper I love it, you see me?
You love pepper?
Yeah, so it should
So
have
next time you
more heat. But nice
Next
man.
time you come, just carry one pepper tree by the road.
See me bring the pepper here
Yeah,
now?
but you have to carry by tree.
A pepper here now I've got to test with the piece of
You
fish
say-
here, you see me?
You tell me say you
Yeah.
want to eat that.
Look good enough, fiddly?
So you read a nice little piece of cherry man? Oh god man. Tear a piece of this, alright man. People, my meal you know, so I use my hand you know. You see me? Yeah. That's so much flavor of pepper there.
You never know.
Hot like fire.
You know you know.
See fish? See is just right.
Let me tell you, see the fish right and put it on
Fish
make it
balance, man. I give you 110 for your fish people.
No, I'm here, man.
With the pepper.
See the
Now for the martel. Now for the martel. I tell you get 3 fish. You see me?
So fiddly, nothing there for Dalvey.
Dalvey, 1 piece Irish. Yeah man. You have to share that piece Irish or Dalvey. You see that 1 dumpling you give me with them? I'm vexed about it.
Half.
A dumpling. A joke man. So Dalvey fish, huh? Now go on Dalvey. You have a 1 fish. You see
Yeah.
I'll do it this already, yeah?
I should have been giving that.
Look what they have for Dalvey, man.
Yeah.
I'll do what you go around over there, but I say you go on good, man. Want to tell? What I want you to do now, I cut the camera so I can tear down my one in piece.
Alright.
Let people know, say, watch out now. Next week, or weekend, we have a next video phone coming up. We don't
See
know
ya,
what we are going to prepare yet, but
It
we
is
know
coming.
it's going to epic.
It coming.
See, I'm going to tear
Coming.
down my one now still.
Rasta have to learn to cook properly.
You see how? I learn to cook for me a little boy. Tell you, my mother never left me out of the kitchen.